Okay, let's give you guys an example. So in this video, we're going to come up with the parametric equations for the line. So the aim is to come up with these three equations. But before we do that, we are going to come up with this equation. From this, we can extract these three. Okay, so let's just give you an example. So let's say we've got a vector here. We've got a vector here. So this is 2 across, 1, 2. And then 4 across in the y direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then negative 2, 1, 2. So that's from the origin. Hang on. So that's oops. Hang on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. So that's from the origin to. So this is our vector here, from the origin to here. So this is our vector. But then we are starting at this point. So it's negative 2, 1, 2, and then 0 across in the y direction, but then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere around here. So this is our line here. Bear with me. So this is our line here. So we need to move our vector up here. Oops. We need to bear with me. We need to move our vector up here. So this is our line here. Hang on. It will make sense later on. So this is our line here. So we need a way to describe this line. So this is our starting point, and then this is our vector. Well, anyway, we're going to come up with the equation for this line. So the equation for this line would look something like this. So currently, this is what the line looks like. This is our initial point. This is our initial point here, and this is our vector here. This is our vector here. So to come up with the equation for the line, have your starting point. So this is your starting location, and then plus a scalar amount to our vector. So this is our vector here. This is our vector here. 2, 4, and negative 2. So if you want to describe this point, then you would say, well, start here, and then insert. So it's 1, 2. So insert a 2 into this t. Well, the equation for this line is given by this. Okay, and then from here we can extract our parametric equations. So looking at it in the x direction, you would start off with negative 2, and then you would add t 2 times t. So that would then give you this. And then now looking at it in the y direction. In the y direction, you would start at the origin, and then it would be 4t. It would be 4t, and then in the z direction, it would be you starting at 4, and then minus 2t. So these are your parametric equations for that line. Okay.